Hello guys and welcome to another video on our channel, and today I am gonna show you how you can install and use Microsoft PowerPoint 2013. So let's begin. To install Microsoft PowerPoint 2013, you need to go to your browser and search for the link. The link is given in the description. If you want the link, you can go there and get the link. After you get the link, you get two softwares, one the Office Pro Plus and second is the WinRAR. So first of all, you need to install First of all, you need to install office.pro.plus. So click here and install anyways. And if you don't have WinRAR installed to your PC, you can install it from here because you need WinRAR to extract the file voice and compose file. So ultimately you need this software WinRAR to install Microsoft Office. As you can see, it has been installed, and you can anyways check where it has been installed by clicking here and saying show in folder. So I have installed it here, so I am opening here. So just right click on it and say extract file. When you will say extract file, a dialog box will appear to you and just click OK to extract the file. It will automatically extract the whole file or the whole version of Office Pro Plus 2013. As you can see, the file has been extracted. Go here and you will get a setup button. Just double click on the setup button, you will get this, say yes, and it will install. If you have already installed, I have already installed, so I don't have to do this. So just click, it will automatically install everything and just close it. I have already installed, so it's showing me this error. It will not show the error if you haven't installed Microsoft Office yet. So as I have installed the Microsoft Office, just go to desktop and right click and go to new. When you will go to new, you have all the accessories of Microsoft Office suite. You can have that Microsoft database, Microsoft Word document, Microsoft project document, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Publisher document. Today we are going to work on Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So we will be open this and name the presentation as Presentation 1. So when we will open Microsoft, we will get this screen and click here, you will get this page. So let us make a simple presentation. So how do we make a simple presentation? Just click here. First I want to remove this title and subtitle. So click here and backspace. Click here, backspace or delete, you can use any. So I need to change the background because I don't like simple white background to my slideshow. So I will go to design. Choose any background I want. I want this background. I think this looks somehow nice. This background I am choosing. So I want to write here presentation 1. So how do I write here presentation 1? Just go to insert and search here for text box. Click on the text box and just drag the text box. Let's write presentation 1. So after writing presentation 1, I want this presentation 1 to be in the middle of the screen. To get this presentation 1 middle in the screen, you can press Ctrl W, no, not Ctrl W, sorry. To get this presentation 1 middle screen, you can press this button. This is called the middle alignment button. You can press this button to get this text box in middle of the screen. Now I want the bigger font size of presentation 1. So what I am doing is I am going here where it's written 18 and I can take any size I want. For example 28, 36, 40, 44. I am taking 44 here and I don't know how I left the one. You can remove this by just clicking the backspace key, and if you have removed something by mistake and you want it back, you can anyways press Ctrl and Z to bring it back. That's how. Okay, I have written this presentation. I want to remove one. And I have written this presentation, and after this I want the color of the presentation to be red. So how do I make it? Go to the home screen, red, and if you want some other color, go to here and you can choose any color you want. And the next thing is, how can you get the another font style of this word presentation? So if you want the another font style of this word presentation, go to home, double click this full presentation or select the full presentation. Go here and you can take any font style you want. For example, I am taking copper black, so it will look like this. And if you want to save the document, press Ctrl S. It will automatically save your document. So that's all in today's video. If you wanna learn programming, please go down below. The link is in the description of Java programming, Python and HTML. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please press that red button, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon down below. And please like our video. That's all in today's video. It's Anant Kaushik signing out.